I like that shirt.
I like that shirt.
So do I.
How much is it?
I don't know. The tag is missing.
Ask the clerk.
I will.
Oh, look. Here's another shirt just like it.
Does it have a price tag?
Yes, it does. It's only $20.
That's a great price.
I think I'll buy both of them.
You'd better try them on first. Conversation 2. Pants that fit. I bought you a pair of pants.
Thank you.
I hope they fit.
I hope you kept the receipt.
You think they won't fit?
I think I've put on some weight.
You think?
Maybe a pound or two.
Maybe 4 or 5 pounds.
All they think about is themselves.
My waist is bigger than it was.
No problem. These pants have an elastic waistband. Conversation 3.
The shopping list.
What do we need to buy?
Let me look at our list.
I know that we need milk.
Non-fat.
Of course. What else?
We need cheese, bread, and ham.
What kind of cheese?
Swiss.
Of course, the cheese with holes in it.
I never used to buy Swiss cheese.
Why not?
I didn't want to pay for the holes. Conversation 4.
Poor pockets. I need some pants.
I thought you just bought a pair.
I did.
What's wrong with them so soon?
The pants are fine, but the pocket has a huge hole in it.
You shouldn't carry your keys and pens in your pocket.
But that's what pockets are for.
You should carry them in a purse.
I'm a man, and men don't carry purses.
Well, you should buy pants with stronger pockets.
I would if I could find someone who makes strong pockets.
Try a Google search online.